Welcome to Little Bright Stars TV.
Welcome to Little Bright Stars TV. Today, we are learning the days and months in French. Bonjour! Let's learn!
Let's learn the days of the week in French. Listen and repeat. Monday in French, Lundi, Lundi, Lundi.
Tuesday in French, Mardi.
Mardi, Mardi.
Wednesday, in French, Mercredi. Mercredi, Mercredi.
Thursday in French, Jeudi. Jeudi, jeudi. Friday in French, Vendredi. Vendredi, vendredi. Saturday in French, Samedi.
Samedi.
Saturday equals samedi. Sunday. In French, Dimanche. Dimanche. Today, we are learning the months in French. Are you ready? Now let's go.
January in French, Janvier.
Janvier.
February in French, Février. Février, Février. Février, both of Février. March in French, Mars. Mars. April in French, Avril. Avril.
May in French, Mai. June in French, Juin. Juin, Juin. July in French, Juillet. July in French, Juillet. August in French, Août.
Août, août.
September in French, Septembre. Septembre, Septembre. October. In French, Octobre.
Octobre.
November. In French, Novembre. Novembre, Novembre. December. In French, Décembre. Décembre, Décembre. Great job learning the months in French. See you next time.
Learn and play the happy way with Bright Stars